remedy for kidney stones from natural herbs is a quick and effective way to dissolve stones. So what are the folk remedies for kidney stones? How to use? Is it fast? Your kidneys remove waste and fluid from your blood to make urine. Sometimes, when you have too much of certain wastes and not enough fluid in your blood, these wastes can build up and stick together in your kidneys. These clumps of waste are called kidney stones. How to cure kidney stones with folk remedies has been widely applied and handed down to this day with remarkable effectiveness. With small, newly formed stones, you can apply the following remedies. Coriander or cilantro is one of the spices herbs used by housewives a lot in cooking. In addition to its use as a raw material, cilantro is also an effective medicinal herb of traditional medicine, especially in the treatment of kidney stones. How to cure kidney stones with cilantro is very simple. You just need to use 1 handful of coriander over the fire to wilt the herbs, then cook it with 400 milliliters of fresh water, until it dries up to 150 milliliters, then stop. Divide the liquid into 3 portions for 3 times, drink after each main meal. According to Vietnamese folk experience, if the patient is a man, he drinks continuously for 7 days, and if the patient is a woman, she drinks for 9 days. After the above procedure, the size of the stones will be reduced or may be eliminated from the body. Pineapple is a delicious fruit, but no one thinks that it is one of the medicines that can prevent and treat kidney stones. With the remedy for kidney stones with pineapple, you only need to use 1 pineapple and a little alum about 5-10 grams. After buying pineapple, wash it and then use a knife to cut a round hole in the middle of the pineapple and put alum inside the hole. Next, bake it and squeeze into juice to drink. Do it continuously for 5 to 7 days to bring results. Treatment of kidney stones with pineapple is an effective remedy to reduce abdominal pain caused by kidney stones. Snow bananas Ensit glaucum. Did you know that snow banana seed is a precious medicine? In addition to its ability to cure joint pain, diarrhea, bleeding and coughing up blood, this herb is also used to treat kidney stones and bladder stones. To treat kidney stones with snow bananas Ensit glaucum, you need to prepare 2 ripe bananas, then dry them and then grind them into a fine powder and store them in a jar. Daily use is tea with 1/2 tablespoon of powdered. Drinking 2 to 3 times a day for half a month will reduce the stones in the kidney. Alternatively, you can use the seeds of a fragrant roasted banana, ground into a powder. Then, cook with 1 liter of water, let it cool and drink it every day. Do you know, betel nut is not only an ornamental plant used to decorate the house, but this plant is also one of the herbal remedies capable of effectively curing kidney stones. If you already have this herb in your home, use 5 to 10 leaves of betel nut, wash it, and put it in a pot to cook with 3 cups of water. When the water is exhausted to 1/2 of the original amount of water, stop. Wait for the medicine to cool, then drink continuously for 7 to 10 days. Apply persistently to reduce the size of stones and remove them from the body. Treating kidney stones with rice paddy herb. According to traditional medicine, rice paddy herb has a spicy, slightly acrid but cool taste and is used as a remedy for heat, detoxification, pain relief, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and can repel kidney stones. Use rice paddy herb to treat kidney stones by using 1 handful of fresh vegetables, washed and then pounded or crushed and mixed with a little salt. Next, squeeze the juice to drink it twice a day, morning and night, after each meal. Apply persistently within 1 month will see the disease improve. Effective remedy for kidney stones with papaya. The remedy for kidney stones with papaya is a folk remedy that has been applied for a long time. With simple and easy to find ingredients and high efficiency, this is the most preferred and used method by patients. In this remedy, the sap of the fruit is the main medicine because the resin contains compounds that reduce stones. Use green papaya fruit weighing about 500 grams, wash and remove the inside, only keep the peel and fruit sap, then steam cook the papaya for 30 minutes, then let it cool and eat. 1 fruit a day after each main meal so as not to upset the stomach. Apply continuously within 10 days for good results. If you are not used to eating, you can eat it with sugar. False daisy grass Eclipta prostrata. False daisy is a medicinal herb commonly used in kidney tonics and kidney diseases. It has anti-inflammatory, diuretic effects, treats painful urination, urinary frequency, bloody stools and helps dissolve stones effectively. Patients can pick a fresh handful, pound it, squeeze out the water to drink. Or dry the herb, cook it with water, let it cool and drink herb water every day. Regular use over a period of time will significantly reduce the size of the stone. Cure kidney stones with dried figs. Few people know, figs have a particularly good effect in the treatment of kidney stones. Figs contain a lot of organic acids that help erode and reduce the size of the stone significantly. This is a cool, acrid taste, often dried and used as a medicine for kidney stones. If the house has a ready-made fig tree, you pick the fruit when it is still green, halve it, and dry it. Cook the dried figs with the water to drink, use it after a meal. Continuous use and combined with monitoring the condition of stones will see the unexpected effect that dried figs bring. Treating kidney stones with herbal medicine in combination with a scientific and reasonable lifestyle. You may not know, kidney stones do not appear naturally but are caused by the unreasonable lifestyle and dietary habits of each person. And of course, the disease does not go away naturally. So, besides treating kidney stones with herbal medicine, you should combine with the following activities to improve your health. Drink plenty of water every day. Did you know that drinking too little water every day will make the body lose the amount of water that the excretory system needs to eliminate toxins out? Therefore, the excretory system will prolong the storage time of urine and in the long run they will be deposited and form kidney stones. Therefore, you should drink enough water every day to help the excretory system work better and dilute the urine concentration and prevent the deposition of crystals in the urine. Citric acid works to dilute the concentration of minerals in the urine, thereby reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. According to experts, the amount of citric acid is now found in lemons, oranges, tangerines, grapefruits, raspberries, tomatoes and blueberries. Some foods also contain citric acid such as ketchup, bread or wine or cheese. Limit the use of foods rich in oxalates. Eating a lot of oxalate-rich foods has a risk of causing kidney stones because it has the ability to inhibit the body's absorption of calcium. Therefore, you should limit your intake of these foods to prevent kidney stones. Do not take high doses of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a good mineral and necessary for the body, but too much of this vitamin is also the cause of kidney stones. Because excess vitamin C in the body will turn into very harmful oxalates. Get enough calcium. Did you know that low calcium in the body is also one of the causes of kidney stones? Because oxalate is a substance that prevents calcium absorption in the body, it will form calcium oxalate kidney stones. Therefore, you should supplement calcium by drinking skim milk, eggs, etc. or expose yourself to the sun early every day to provide calcium for the body. Cut down on daily salt intake. According to experts, the kidneys have the function of excreting excess sodium chloride in the body, so you should not eat too much salt because it will increase the amount of protein in the urine, thereby causing kidney stones. At the same time, you should have a good diet and reasonable activities to eliminate sodium in the kidneys. Instead of using regular salt, use sea salt or herbal spices instead. Add magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral for the body, plays an important role in helping the organs function properly, such as neutralizing stomach acid, enhancing the function of the excretory system in the kidneys. Add more foods with fiber that will be the richest source of magnesium. Eat less animal protein. It can be said that protein is an essential nutrient for the body, but too much protein in the body will increase the risk of kidney stones. Because excess protein will limit the metabolism and excretion of the kidneys. At the same time, excess protein will lower the pH and increase the amount of uric acid in the urine and form uric acid stones in the kidneys, which is very dangerous. Therefore, you should limit your intake of animal protein to improve and ensure your health. Notes for kidney stones. Treatment by herbal medicine. Kidney stones, if not treated in time, will cause unpredictable dangers such as infection, urinary blockage, or even kidney failure. Currently, home remedies for kidney stones with herbal medicine are being applied by many patients because it is safe, easy to find, cheap, simple to use, can be done at home. Consider thoroughly before choosing what herbal medicine to use for the best of your health.